Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the world of mini gadgets that are taking the tech scene by storm in 2026? I've got some seriously cool stuff to share with you today, so buckle up. Imagine having the power of a full-sized gadget in the palm of your hand. That's the beauty of these mini marvels, and I'm here to showcase some of the most innovative and game-changing ones that should be on your radar. Now, let's start with a blast from the past with a futuristic twist. Lego, a beloved toy from our childhood, has teamed up with Star Wars to create the smart brick. This isn't your average Lego brick, it's a tech-infused masterpiece. Imagine building Darth Vader's TIE fighter, but this time, it's not just a static model. The smart brick uses NFC technology to detect minifigures and special plates, and it reacts with sound effects and flashing lights. No more making those spaceship noises yourself, the brick does it for you. And the best part? You can still customize the design with your old Lego pieces, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge tech. It's like Lego just became a full-blown sci-fi experience. Next up, we have a gadget for the content creators out there. The Insta360 Luna Ultra is a gimbal camera that will elevate your vlogging game. With its dual lens setup, including an 8K sensor and a telephoto lens, it captures stunning visuals with incredible detail. But what sets it apart is its detachable remote control feature. You can detach the display, control zoom and tilt, and record yourself from a distance, all while staying in frame. It's like having your own personal camera crew. And with its impressive battery life and expandable storage, it's a must-have for anyone looking to up their video production game. Now, let's talk about a gadget that solves a modern-day problem. The Clix Power Keyboard is a genius solution for those who miss the tactile feel of physical keyboards on their smartphones. It attaches to the back of your phone, offering a full-size keyboard that slides out when needed. But here's the kicker. It also doubles as a power bank. With a 2,300 mAh battery, it provides extra juice for your phone, and can even be paired with other devices like TVs and VR headsets via Bluetooth. It's like having a mini computer in your pocket. When the heat is on, you'll want the Jisulife Handheld Fan Pro1S by your side. This isn't your average fan, it's a powerhouse. With a high-speed motor, it can blow a small ball off the table, giving you an idea of its cooling capabilities. Perfect for those scorching summer days or stuffy rooms, it's built to last and look sleek. No more suffering through heat waves. This fan is a portable, powerful solution. Now, let's talk about a gadget that's all about health and fitness. The Google Fitbit Air is a smartwatch, but not as you know it. It ditches the bright screen and notifications, focusing on what matters, your health. With a week-long battery life, it tracks your sleep, workouts, heart rate, and even blood oxygen levels. It's so lightweight and comfortable that you'll forget you're wearing it. This is the perfect gadget for those who want to stay fit and healthy without the distractions of a traditional smartwatch. Lastly, we have something straight out of a spy movie. The Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 smart glasses. These glasses are the epitome of cool, offering a camera, headphones, and AI in a stylish package. With 8 hours of battery life and the ability to record 3K videos, they are perfect for capturing life's moments discreetly. And the open-ear speakers let you listen to audio without sealing your ears. But the real magic is the AI, which can identify objects and translate languages in real time. It's like having a personal assistant on your face. However, privacy concerns are valid, so responsible use is key. These gadgets showcase the incredible innovation happening in the tech world. From nostalgic toys with a tech twist to practical solutions for modern problems, there's something for everyone. Remember, it's not just about the size. It's about the impact these mini gadgets can have on our daily lives. So, which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments, and stay tuned for more tech adventures.